These are the cats of from our neighbor, but they seldom feed them. So at first, I let them try the Filipino food. One of them just kept sniffing on it, and then finally one of them took a bite of it and decided they liked the food. And now, every time I give them food, they'll eat it. That's adobo. I put them adobo and rice. And look at them. Kitty, kitty, come on, eat some more. There's the mama cat and the orange one. That's my favorite. I call him Garfield.